Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home.
I want to show you how to make shrimp sauté on a salad. I do often that in summer, and I cut the shrimp into a couple of pieces. Even 2 pieces is okay. There, sauté briefly. I have 8 shrimp there, so that would be the first course. I serve 2 shrimp per person. Maybe a bit less. So 1 tablespoon of olive oil here. I'm going to put that in there to saute a couple of minutes, and we'll add a bit of onion to it, like 2-3 tablespoons of onion. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of garlic. Okay, and we're going to do a sauce in there and serve it on salads. We put a good tablespoon of French mustard, a good teaspoon of sriracha, maybe a little more. Mix this, dash of salt, of course, pepper, and of course I'm doing that with shrimp. You can do it with pieces of salmon if you want. And like 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 1.5 cups of tomato here, diced tomato. And probably a couple of tablespoons of parsley. And all that mixture, I'm going to add onion, garlic. I have 6 cups of Boston lettuce here. I love Boston lettuce. Occasionally, rearrange it. Should be about good. And my shrimp here are cooked enough, so they go directly in the mixture of tomato here. And of course I would serve that normally on individual plate or a large platter. This is still lukewarm. A delightful first course. Maybe a bit of chive again or parsley on top. And here it is, our shrimp sauté on salad. Happy cooking!